This explosion was so powerful, it shattered windows 1,000 kilometers away. In 1961, the Soviet Union dropped the Tsar bomb, a 50-megaton hydrogen bomb over Novaya Zemlya. It was the largest nuclear explosion ever created by humans. The pilot Andrei Chernovtsov flew the bomber that dropped it. He had just 188 seconds to escape before the sky turned into a fireball. The fireball was 9.7 kilometers wide. The mushroom cloud rose 60 kilometers high, and the heat could cause third-degree burns 100 kilometers away. It was 3,800 times more powerful than Hiroshima. One bomb, one flash. One terrifying reminder. Follow WTFacts show for more mind-blowing history.